Hello and welcome back. Today's recipe is a tasty chutney made with black urad dal and pearl or sambar onions. This chutney is high on nutrition and rich in protein. This chutney can be served as an accompaniment with idli, dosa, rice, pongal, to name a few. Let's get started. For the preparation, you will need 2 cups of pearl or sambar onions. Cut the ends of the pearl onion. Immerse it in a bowl of water for 10 to 15 minutes. When done this way, it is easier to remove the skin from the onions and it is less time consuming. Once you soak the onions, separate the garlic pod. Remove the skin from the garlic. Remove the skin from the onions. You can now see that the skin slides off very easily. Pearl onions or sambar onions have a subtle, mild and a somewhat sweetish flavor which enhances the taste of the chutney. All the ingredients for the preparation are now ready. To make the chutney, heat a pan, add 1 teaspoon of cold-pressed sesame oil, add half a cup of black urad dal, fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Adding black gram to your diet can boost your overall health by a significant margin. It is rich in fibre, thus improving digestion. It is also rich in iron, and by providing more oxygenated blood to your organs, it helps boost your energy. It manages glucose levels in the blood, and it is good for the skin, bone and heart. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida, 10 red chillies, 1 teaspoon of Induppu or Himalayan rock salt. When the urad dal is nicely roasted and the red chillies change color, remove from the pan. To the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil, add the peeled garlic, fry for a minute or 2 and add 2 cups of peeled pearl onions and the green chilies. Saute the onions until they turn translucent. Sambar or pearl onions are rich in antioxidants, vitamin B6, manganese, copper, folate and vitamin C. Add a small gooseberry-sized tamarind. Fry for a minute and switch off the flame. Now add 1/4 cup of chopped coriander leaves. This way, we will be able to retain and get the full benefit of the nutrients present in the coriander leaves. Allow it to cool. To a mixer jar, add all the ingredients to be powdered. Roasted black urad, red chillies, salt and Asafoetida. Grind until it becomes a medium fine powder. To this powder, add the onion, garlic, green chilli mix. Add half a cup of water and grind. Open in between to check the consistency. Add more water if required and grind to a medium fine consistency. To season the chutney, heat the pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start sputtering, add the curry leaves and switch off the stove. Add the seasoning to the prepared chutney and mix well. Serve with steaming hot idlis and ghee. What is your favorite chutney to go with idli? Do drop your comment below. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. We'll meet you on Monday with another interesting recipe. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe. To get notified on new videos, press the bell icon.